Hello, I'm Stephen and this is my bike.
Check it out.
What are you saying?
I'm Stephen, and or you can call me Pen, and this is my 1990s level Criterion. And supposed to be roadie kaso kulang pa sa parts. So binuo ko muna siya as single speed. To start, sa cockpit I use Nitto Pearl 11. So sa handlebar Nitto B809. Then ito lang to, generic, ang hirap kasi umanap na size. Then sa saddle naman, Celesan Marco Regal. Then yung pedals, MKS Sylvan na track. Sa drivetrain, Durai 7.6, also the chainring. Then naka 4060 to, tas naka single speed cog na 17 DNP. Tapos sa wheelset, Pana Racer Gravel King 32C. Then Campy Sheriff na C-Record Pista 36 holes laced to Arayas RC 540. Same din dito sa likod. Then yung brake set is Diacompe SS6 and Diacompe BRS 1014 calipers. Yun lang. Then yung chain pala is HKK NJS.
HKK.
Shoutout pala sa Alicolt and Criterium and kay Kuya Paul. And yun lang, message ko lang sa mga bikers. Enjoy nyo lang. Magbuo lang kayo ng gusto nyo and ride safe. Yun lang.
Thank you.
Thank you.